This video will demonstrate the recommended maintenance of the BULLDOG heavy-duty square tube jacks. We will show how to service the jacks with their replacement part kits. The video applies to all BULLDOG branded square jacks with a 4-inch square outer tube. It will include our 12,000 pound capacity single and 2-speed jacks, both planetary and traditional, the 25,000 pound twin cam jacks, and our 90,000 pound capacity landing gear jacks.
This is a demonstration of the replacement of the bevel gears. A bevel gear kit is universal in all of the 4-inch square tube jacks. Possible symptoms of a jack requiring this repair are hard or uneven cranking, locked up gears due to a foreign object causing obstruction, or a broken tooth from excessive torque from topping or bottoming out. A bevel gear kit includes the gears, pins, washers, bushings, and compression spring spacer spring. First, remove the screws and cover. Pull back the retaining spring, push the pin down, rotate the jack handle 180 degrees, then pull out the pin. Remove the cross shaft, remove the spring, top gear, and bushing, then lift out the bottom gear. There is a slot on the bottom of the gear. Slide out the pin and remove the washer. Before reassembly, a liberal supply of automotive quality grease should be applied to the bevel gears and all other mating surfaces. Now replace the washer and reinstall the pin. Then place the gear over the pin, ensuring the gear is fully seated into the slot. Install the bushing and put the gear in place. Put the spring in place and position the cross shaft. Then pull the spring back and install the pin. Replace the cover and screws. Connect the cross shaft and tighten the bolt.
BULLDOG jacks are tough and trusted. Choose BULLDOG for uncompromised durability and reliable performance in true heavy-duty applications. BULLDOG jacks include patented features that extend service life by protecting internal components from damage, and as you have seen, allow the jacks to be easily serviced. Best-in-class warranties supported by genuine replacement parts provide the best overall value in the trailer business.